Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Unfortunately, I didn't take any pictures with the people who came for a consultation session today, which is a bummer. But I just wanted to come here anyway and talk about the key learnings that we learned from the session, as promised. So the first client who came and saw me, she was so nice. Basically, we ended up chatting loads, and she was from London. So it was so nice. We had so much in common, and we were talking about like our life in Malaysia, adaptation period. So that was so cool to meet someone that has lived in London. Yeah, so she basically was 43 years old, but I would tell you she had amazing skin, amazing skin. So she was kind of one of those people that are genetically really lucky with their skin. And I was like, okay, so what do you use? I'm thinking that she's going to be like listing me lots of like different ingredients and anti-aging products whatsoever. Basically, I was like, oh my god, this is where genetics comes a really important role in like our overall skin complexion and our skin health. She was using basically coconut oil to do everything, to cleanse her skin, also to moisturize her skin, which obviously, you know that coconut oil could be very comedogenic. So basically what that means could clog your pores, especially if you are very congested and especially if you are acne prone. It's one of the top ingredients that you should definitely avoid because it could clog the pores and also cause you sensitivity and also break you out. So that's an ingredient that I hardly ever formulate with. With her routine, what we try to do is just to try and keep it very simple, because don't forget, it's not about your age. If you're just starting into your routine and you try to create this mini habit of adapting a skincare routine day and night into your normal life, then what I always advise people to do is to keep it to a minimum. Don't think that, oh my god, I'm just starting into skincare, I have to buy everything, so I must do it correctly. So then you overload your skin and your schedule with something that you are not used to. So the most important thing is about being consistent and also following a routine. So therefore, in order to be consistent in something that you've just started, you have to make it simple. This can be in anything in life. Like this is I think my number one ideology, and this is what we always discuss with my husband as well. So let's try and create this as a mini habit first. So that could be going to the gym or going for a tennis court or going swimming. Let's try and create a mini habit first. Get used to this mini habit. See if we like it. See what the benefits are to us. And then once that is a mini habit, it's a solid mini habit, and from then you can add an extra day of sport, for example, or in this case, in the case of skincare, is add an extra layer of product. So that could be either an oil or a serum or an extra cream, for example, targeting towards her skin needs. But we have to master that creation of a mini habit and basically sticking and being consistent with it. So that's my number one advice for anyone who's just starting into their skincare journey. Make sure you cleanse your skin really well. That's the number one most important element in terms of skincare. If you want healthy skin, you have to have healthy cleansing routine. Generally speaking, cleansers that work for all type of skin is cream cleansers. So make sure you cleanse, and then make sure you tone. So use an active toner. Don't confuse yourself with an exfoliating toner or a facial mist toner. Just try and find a formula. Again, this is why personalized skincare I think is so good, that you can basically custom make the formula according to your skin needs. But if you can find an ingredient or a product that has an exfoliating agent with facial mist properties, that is a one-step formula. So after you cleanse, you just put it on your skin. You either mist it or you kind of put it on a cotton pad and go over your skin with it. So that's number 2. And number 3 is moisturize, obviously. So find the moisturizer that is suitable for your skin, that will hydrate you, that would be according to your skin needs. Again, this is what we can discuss in your consultation session, but according to your skin needs, you would have to have the correct ingredients included in your moisturizer that would do the job. So this 3 is very important. So cleanse, tone, moisturize, master the skill, and afterwards then you can go and explore the magical world of skincare, which will be like double cleansing, exfoliating toners, serums and night treatment oils and maybe masks and etc. So make sure you master these 3, and then the rest will follow. Hopefully you found this very useful. Again, I like to keep the videos very simple, very easy to remember, and something that you can almost incorporate into your day from today. Have a lovely day. Bye.